first batch of BSBA major in management was composed of 2 sections with 94 students. Year 2014, with the effective marketing and committed professional faculty members, more students with interest in business and management course prefer Bulso Bustos Campus as their school of choice. The first batch of BSBA major in marketing management was composed of 3 sections. BSBA major in financial management was offered with 3 sections. Year 2016, accepted incoming first-year students major in marketing management with 4 sections. 4 sections for BSBA major in financial management and 3 sections for BS entrepreneurship. Year 2018, the BSBA program successfully complied with all the prescribed requirements for both majors, marketing management and financial management. On May 18, 2018, the College of Business Administration was established as a separate college under the leadership of Dr. Ciriaco M. Garcia as the campus dean.
One of the major strengths of the faculty members of CBA Bustos Campus is the high level and diverse academic, industry, and industry experience of all its members. Instructors have different expertise that cover a wide array of skills and knowledge, such as marketing, finance, business analytics, business research, and quality management.
The dedication of every faculty member to inspire and influence the students is what makes BSU Bustos Campus different from any other educational institution.
Academic success is important because it is strongly linked to the positive outcomes we value.
BSU prepares me to reality in a way of they teach us the reality in industry, in business.
BSU Bustos Campus has taught me not just the principles and theories about everything or every aspect of business administration, but also the practicalities of life.
Another major strength of the CBA department is the strong support to faculty members in terms of capacity building by providing continuous seminars and trainings to help instructors to be fully equipped in the changing needs of the educational process.
Co-curricular activities fuel the learning by stimulating creative thought, improving the social and organizational skills, developing interests and talents, and offering the chance to switch off and do something you really enjoy.
Isa na rito ang CBA Summit. Naging layunin ng programang ito ay imulat ang mga estudyante na kung ano ang kanilang tatahaking karir. Ikalawa, online marketing and digital entrepreneurship. Ito ipapakita sa mga estudyante kung paano lumaganap ang digital marketing sa panahon ng pandemya.
Bulacan State University is a progressive, knowledge-generating institution globally recognized for excellent instruction and pioneering research. The Research Development Unit of CBA, or the College of Business Administration, is committed to realizing that vision of the university. All of the faculty members and the many students are involved in 2 things. Number 1, collaborative researches, and this cuts across departments. Number 2, we are into interdisciplinary research. Many of these researches and some of our faculty have presented these researches at the international level as well as internationally recognized publications.
CBA Extension Service of Bulso Bustos Campus is committed in working towards providing necessary knowledge and skills to our clients, partners by organizing activities like trainings, seminars, and workshops that are focused on various livelihood activities and basic cash management. Before the time of pandemic, we were able to provide extension services through Sambalaran, a community development summit which intends to invite 4 peace beneficiaries in the province of Bulacan to to undergo capability building training programs in various service areas. We were able to organize a community pantry to provide help to some members of the community with the support of the faculty, students, and administrator of the campus.
Facilities have an impact on the overall school experience of students and teachers.
The quality and adequacy of the physical plant and facilities of a learning institution determine, to a large measure, the successful implementation of its curricular program.
Now we are positive and we are upbeat that even in the midst of this global pandemic and beyond,
We are still thinking of plans on how we can continue to provide trainings to our partners and clients.
BSU makes differ from other institutions because of their product.
The legacy that it creates through the years is what makes it exceptional.
will bring to a higher level all of our efforts to achieve the vision and mission of the university.